Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the Reporting tab and how to use it to generate reports for your agents and staff activity in the system. First, you'll need to be inside the sub-account or location. In the list of tabs, you'll see Reporting. Click on it. And then on the top, you'll see Agent Reporting. Click on that to open the reports. Here you have the option to choose your staff so that you'll be able to see each one's specific metrics. You can also specify a date range. If you wish to compare week over week or month over month, you can do that too. Just click on Compare to get the second date field for the comparison. Once you've chosen the dates, click on Fetch to retrieve the data. So what's seen here are the opportunities like how many total leads they got, for example. And what's indicated here depends on your pipeline. So metrics for opportunities, conversions, how many SMS messages or emails they've sent, what their call stats are, just to name a few, are all available in these statistical sets. There's also a leaderboard here to spur on friendly competition in an effort to increase productivity. So all these are available for you under the Reporting tab under Agent Reporting. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a good day. Thanks for watching this short how-to video. For more how-to videos, check out the High Level How-Tos playlist in the High Level YouTube channel.